This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. It was announced on the 12th of March and was released on the 17th of March 2020. And this is what it looks like from the front, the back, the sides, top, and of course the bottom. On the top of the device is an infrared blaster. The fingerprint sensor is mounted on the side of the device, and the standard 3.5mm audio jack is also present on this device. At the bottom of the device is a USB Type-C port with support for 18 watts fast charging. And now to the build quality. It weighs about 209 grams and has a plastic frame with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back of this device for protection from falls and minor scratches. The device uses a dual nano SIM and has a dedicated microSD slot. And this phone is no stranger in performance and great battery life experience. It's got a pretty large display too. In the camera department, the Redmi Note 9 Pro comes quite equipped with 4 cameras on the back of the device, and it is able to record videos at up to 4K at 30 FPS. The selfie camera comes with a single 16 megapixel sensor and is able to record videos at up to 1080p at 30 FPS. It uses an IPS LCD panel and has its screen size at 6.67 inches. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G with Adreno 618 GPU for smooth gaming, and it is a more than capable chipset with benchmark scores of about 278,000. This mobile device fits in the mid-range segment, and MIUI 11 based on Android 10 is the bread and butter of this device. On the storage and memory department, the phone starts with a base model of 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and the other model is 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Powering this device is a non-removable 5020 mAh battery, and with its guaranteed 18 watts charger, charging this device shouldn't be tedious. It comes in flavors of blue, white, and black. And for the pricing, well, it starts at around $174.